a tremendous percentage of the population dies without a will.
Mm-hmm.
If you have no property, that's no problem. If you have any property, that's a problem. If you have minor children, it's a huge problem. Anybody with any property, meaning a bank account or real estate, a home that they own, needs a will. Anybody with minor children needs a will. There seems to, people sometimes get frustrated. Why do we need wills and why do we need probate? If I turn it around and tell them, if I told you that the law provided a way to write one document that would tell what you want to happen with your children and who you want to take care of them, and where all your properties go when you die, isn't that a really good thing? Well, that is a really good thing. Well, that's a will. And there's no reason to be scared about drafting them. The cost for most people's wills are not excessive. The estate tax laws have recently been amended so that you have to have a fortune, $5 million or more, before you worry about federal estate taxes, which means that most estate planning for people is relatively simple. And everybody virtually needs a will, and everybody needs powers of attorney, both a medical power of attorney with a directive to physicians for end-of-life care, and a financial power of attorney that if they're disabled, someone is able to make medical and financial decisions for them.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the planning that most people need to do. And if the loved one is ill but mentally competent and they haven't drafted a will, it's not too late. Unfortunately, sometimes we have to go to the hospital to have people execute a will. They have to be clear of mind. They have to not be influenced by anybody. They have to know what their property is, who the relatives are, and how they want to distribute it. And you have to have 2 witnesses and a notary that are willing to confirm that they are able to do that. But there's no reason that somebody who's ill can't draft a will. It's not too late until they've lost their mental capability to make those decisions for themselves.